My name's Melissa, and I'm an executive director.
My name is Chris, and I am a PE teacher.
We liked the idea of just the environment, and helping out. I think we'd always been looking at it and searching. I think the biggest concern for us was the financial piece.
The idea that our ComEd bill would be locked in at about $15 a month with a servicing fee for the next 30 years is pretty exciting, considering that is a cost that will always go up. Energy costs are never going to go down. So just that idea in and of itself was very appealing.
I think we're just at the beginning stages we think we use a lot of energy now, but as our kids get older, as we change things within the house, we may potentially be adding a pool or, I'm not really sure what the future holds, but I think it was the best choice for us at this time. Our ComEd bill is at the high end, $130 to $140 per month. And looking at if we were to, we get the loan and you look at what your monthly cost is going to be, at the high end of that was $116. So that's without any of the tax benefits, that would come back to go towards that loan. And then knowing that, once we put all the tax credits towards it and seeing how quickly, that huge loan gets brought down to a much smaller increments. When we looked at it, we're like, wow, this is something that we could really potentially do in maybe 4 years' time, maybe 5, and then all of a sudden we won't have that expense any longer.
I feel like as we're producing energy, especially throughout the summer, I'll be less inclined to yell at the kids to turn the lights off and things like that, because that happens all the time.